Video from Telangana has gone viral where a woman is seen driving her car on the railway tracks. That's the video on your TV screens that had sparked panic among the people around, and many trains had to be stopped because of this woman driving her car on railway tracks here in Telangana. What we are given to understand is that there were attempts being made to stop her, but she sped away and she continued to ignore warnings that were issued to her by the railway staff there. My colleague Uma Sudhir also now continues to be with us on the broadcast here. Uma, this is very shocking. What happened there? Why was this woman driving her car on the railway tracks, and what action has been taken?
So I spoke to the SP of Railway Police at Sikandrabad, Chandana Deepti, and she has said that this woman was extremely aggressive and in fact not cooperating at all with the police even during the questioning. What they do know is that this woman was driving her Kia Sonet on the railway track and she continued to drive it at a pretty fast speed, I must say, as the visuals are showing, for almost 6 to 7 kilometers. People were chasing her and telling her to stop, but simply she wouldn't stop, and subsequently, finally, when her car did stop, she refused to put the glass down, and then they had to force the glass open, and then she's threatening them also with a martial arts weapon, nunchuk, and subsequently they had to use almost 15 to 20 people to bring her under control. They had to in fact tie up her hands in order to ensure that she stayed in control. The second part of it is that the worry for the police was that this is a very busy track leading up to Bombay and Bangalore as well, and therefore 10 to 15 trains in fact had to be diverted from this track so that no kind of an accident happens, because you can imagine the impact of the car, the car with a fuel filled in it hitting against a vehicle at high speed. The impact can cause any kind of an accident, and therefore that is something that the police and the locals there were able to thwart. 3-4 things about this woman. She's said to be 34-year-old. That's what her license and also PAN card that the police have recovered is showing. She's from Uttar Pradesh. The police understand that she possibly was working for an MNC and had decently lost her job, and she's possibly also a divorcee, a single person, is what the police is trying to now check and confirm. One other thing is that she appeared to be very disturbed. Whether she was under the influence of drugs is something that they will medically try to establish or try to investigate, but she does not appear to be drunk, is what the police have told us.